When was the last time you found something in a store that fit you perfectly, in the right color, the right length, and the right fabric, without needing to compromise or mentally adjust your expectations before even trying it on? For most people, that almost never happens. Because fashion is not designed around you as an individual, but around average proportions that rarely match real bodies, which means you constantly find yourself choosing between a design you love and a fit that actually works. Over time, this turns shopping into a quiet cycle of small disappointments, where nothing is completely wrong, but nothing is exactly right either, and you slowly get used to settling for things that are simply good enough. And this is exactly the problem Fabrico was created to solve. Instead of adjusting yourself to what already exists, you get the ability to create clothing that fits your body, your taste, and your expectations from the very beginning. Fabrico is a digital library of modern sewing patterns designed for real wardrobes and real people, offering patterns for women, men, and children so that you can create clothing not only for yourself, but also for the people around you, building something more personal and intentional than anything you would typically find in stores. Each pattern is delivered as a PDF download, which means you can access it instantly after purchase, print it at home on standard paper. Every design is also supported by a full step-by-step video tutorial, which allows you to follow the entire process visually, pause whenever you need to, re-watch specific steps, and move forward with clarity instead of uncertainty, making the experience feel guided rather than overwhelming, even if you are approaching sewing for the first time or returning to it after a long break. Imagine choosing a pattern that you genuinely like, selecting a fabric that feels right to you not only visually, but also in texture and movement, and then watching the garment slowly take shape step by step, piece by piece, until it becomes something you can actually wear in your everyday life. Not something you adapted to, but something that was built around you from the very start, with your preferences and proportions in mind. One of the biggest challenges in sewing is achieving the right fit, which is why Fabrico provides detailed size guides that help you accurately match your measurements to the correct size, reducing guesswork and making it much more likely that your final result will meet your expectations from the very first project, rather than requiring multiple attempts to get right. In addition to that, there is a beginner-friendly section where patterns are specifically selected to be achievable for those who are still developing their skills, allowing you to start with something realistic, complete it successfully, and build confidence step by step, instead of feeling stuck or discouraged partway through the process. What makes this experience truly different is not just the final garment itself, but the sense of control that comes with it, where you are no longer limited by what is available in stores, but are actively shaping your own wardrobe in a way that reflects your taste, your lifestyle, and your standards. You choose the fabric, you control the fit, you decide the details, and over time, you begin to build a wardrobe that feels consistent, intentional, and entirely your own. Sewing is not about perfection, and it is not about complexity. It is about creating something that feels right, both physically and emotionally, and about rediscovering the satisfaction of making something with your own hands that you will actually use and enjoy. You were looking for a sign, and this is it. Go to Fabrico.Design, choose a pattern that speaks to you, take your time with the process, and start creating your own wardrobe. Because if not you, then who?